What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So guys, today we're going to be having a look at the Sony Xperia 1. I don't know if I say that right, but yeah. Anyway, it's also known as the Sony Xperia. No, it's also known as the Sony X1. I mean, for me, I'm not really a fan of Sony at all. Not even the earphones. Nothing about Sony. I'm not really a fan. But I mean, it's good to divert from, obviously, we have being a Samsung fanboy and going over to other products like Sony and other Android products apart from iPhone. But maybe iPhone one day, I'm not sure, but we have to see. But yeah, I got the Sony Xperia 1, like I said, also known as the Sony X1. So we're gonna unbox this thing and we're gonna have a look. A lot of people have been talking about it. I've been saying about the screen ratio. I mean, it's a long phone. The screen real estate is huge. So yeah, I thought, you know what, let me pick myself up one of these. Let me pick myself up one of these, and obviously we'll see what the hype is about. See what the phone is really about. But yeah, let's go through some specs that we see on the box. So obviously we've got the big logo of the Sony Xperia 1 there, and then moving on to the back, it says it's got a 12 megapixel camera, which is, I believe, oh actually no, it's got a triple camera. So triple camera, all the triple cameras in the back is 12 megapixel, and the front camera is obviously 8 megapixel, and also it's got a 4K HDR OLED display. So that's pretty much that's pretty much what I'm into about this phone, because of the 4K, the full 4K OLED display, which is gonna be pretty damn cool. And yeah, so I can't wait. We're gonna see. So as we can see, we got 3,330 milliamps of battery, and then we've got a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip in the phone. Yeah, Snapdragon chip in the phone. I don't even know how to say that word, but yeah. And it's also IP65-68 water, is basically water resistant. It's 65. I don't even know. I don't know. All I know is waterproof, and that's all I know. But yeah, that's not what you're here for. Like, the design of the box is cool. You got a few other Sony logo around the box and all that good stuff. But yeah, let's crack this box right open. I need a knife. I don't have one, so I use my nails. You can always rely on the Afro hair comb, or maybe not. Oh, we got it open. It's all about that. Anyway, let's see what's in this box. So let's slide it open. The design of the box is amazing. I know I go on about the design of the boxes when I unbox products, but the design of the box tells you exactly how well the phone is built and how well the phone will be. And I like this little step kind of lip like of the box. It looks quite cool. But yeah, let's open this up. So obviously you got the phone in front of us there. So we're gonna take that apart, and we're not really gonna look at this. Wow, it looks amazing. Wow. It's an amazing device, but it is long. Comparing it with the iPhone XR, look at the difference. It's such a long phone. Flipping out, like, how are you gonna reach to the? Wow, it's a long phone. It's quite slim, nice and slender, nice and slim, but it's quite tall. Look at the back. It looks amazing. But yeah, let's put this aside. Let's have a look more at what we have in the box. So we have a booklet, a nice booklet right there, which should have the startup guide, I believe. So yeah, startup guide tells you how to use the phone, stuff like that. But obviously we don't need to have a look at this because we're already a G on tech. Well, let's put this down. And anyway, look how tidy inside this is. Obviously you got the, I don't even know what that is. What's that? You got the earphones. You got the charging brick. And then, oh wow, I've just seen something in the box that looked pretty damn cool. But yeah, we got the, what's this? got the charging cable, which actually has 2 USB-Cs. So I'm guessing, yeah. So the charging brick actually is not. Where is it? Is it? No, this isn't fast charging, but it's got 18 watts to it. So I'm presumed. So okay, right. Okay, I see how it is. So this actually charges via USB-C. Okay, that's fine. So we're not actually getting a normal USB adapter that plugs into the actual charging brick. We actually get a USB-C going into the charging brick, and then obviously into the wall, and then USB-C again going to the bottom of the device to actually charge the device up, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen that, but it's pretty damn cool. But yeah, anyway, so we got this. Oh wow, this literally throws it off for me. This means I'm not going to use this phone at all. Obviously we don't have a flipping headphone jack, which is pretty damn annoying, but we got what we get normally in the iPhone department, the iPhone situation. So you got the USB-C that goes from here into the actual phone, and then we got the 3.5 millimeter female headphone jack for where your actual where you actually connect your earphones, which are there. And also you get some different ear tips in there as well, so you can get a nice comfortable fitting for your ears. But yeah, anyway, right, let's put this aside. Let's have a look at the actual device. It looks smooth, it looks good. The only thing is it's quite a long phone, because it's just a long phone. I don't know how you're gonna be able to reach up there. I mean, at least the phone's got quite a bit of a heft to it, so it doesn't feel like you're gonna drop it. Or it's light, but again it's a little bit, it's quite hefty, so you can hold the phone and reach to the top corner of the device and don't feel like you're gonna drop the phone or something like that, which is pretty damn cool. But anyway, let's go ahead and peel off all these stupid stickers on the phone, like this one. I know you guys like this. Satisfying, isn't it? Off. Wow, and there's the phone revealed for the first time on the channel, and it looks absolutely slick. It looks amazing. Like, it just looks amazing. So you see someone in public with this, or someone sees you in public with this, they're gonna be like, whoa, he's holding a phone from the 1960s, because you know they got them long phones with numbers, which was a bit of a ball ache. But this is good. I feel like it's in my ears, and I can literally, the earpiece is right here, so I can literally talk and it will be very clear to whoever I'm talking to on the phone. But it's a beautiful device, absolutely beautiful device. I'm looking at the phone and I'm like, whoa, I'm seeing things on this phone that is new, and I mean, other big companies could actually put it on their phone. So we don't actually have the inside, I mean the on-screen fingerprint button, fingerprint to unlock the device and stuff like that, but instead we have it on the side there. So I believe that acts as the fingerprint, and then on this side here I believe that's the lock button. I'm not too sure, like I said, I don't know anything about this phone at all. So I believe that's the fingerprint scanner, and then up there that is the lock button, the switch on button or whatever, and then down there I think it might be the camera, a quick launch for the camera, and then up there obviously you got the volume up and down. And then on the side here we don't have anything here, just both antennas on there, and yeah, just have a plain side. And then at the bottom they've actually done something pretty damn cool with the speaker. The speaker grill is there and it's kind of engraved in, which looks pretty cool. And then obviously you got the USB connector there to charge the phone up, and then up top we have an earpiece, no I mean a mic. Whoa, the phone just literally turned on. Oh, that was because I was holding down the power button, but yeah, it's turning on. We'll leave that to turn on. And then up top we have the SIM card ejector, so you literally just pull it and bring it out, and that's what it looks like. And I like the way they've designed it actually. You don't need the actual pin. So you don't actually need the pin to put in there. So there's not like a hole in your phone. So you literally just put it down, and then to bring it out, you just oops, dropped it. So what you do is literally just get your fingers in, pull it out, and that's it. Sweet. You can put your SIM card in and all that. So this actually uses SD card and obviously the SIM card as well, the nano SIM card and the SD card, which is down there. But yeah, the phone is just turned on, and whoa, I've got to say, the phone looks amazing. Look, I mean, I'm not really a fan of how much screen ratio there is, because look how much bezels are on both sides of the side. I mean, the top I don't mind, but the sides is quite a big deal for me. Screen to body ratio isn't the best, but obviously you've still got all this full screen real estate, which is pretty damn flipping cool. So you can watch pretty much anything on this on this device, which is pretty damn cool. But anyway, where they put the button placement, I like it, because you can reach to it. It's a long phone, but you can pretty much reach every single button. So this is my normal holding position for a phone, for a smartphone. So literally my thumb literally just lands straight on the, so I think my thumb literally just lands straight on the what's it called, the thumb recognition, whatever it's called. So it literally just lands there, and then I'm straight back on the phone. And then the lock button is literally there, and then the volume button, rockers up and down, is literally there, so I can literally operate the volume right there and then. So there, and boom. None of what Samsung has done with the S10 Plus by having the lock button all the way up there, so you have to proper stretch just to get to that button, which is not really a smart move from Samsung. But this is good. They've actually thought about everything. They've thought about every single thing, where to put the lock button, where to put the fingerprint reader, and also the volume up and down. But yeah guys, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click up there to see my last video I had on this channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but it's just finding technology to actually feature on the channel is a little bit hard. So if you guys want to send me down anything, just let me know with a like rating, or comment down below. Tell me if you want to send me any tech for me to review or unbox or anything like that. And without further ado, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe as well. I want to say thank you and big shout out to everyone that's been loyal and subscribed, even if I haven't uploaded for a while. And also all the feedbacks, the comments, the like, it's absolutely amazing. But anyway guys, from me and the Sony Xperia 1, I'm gonna have to say goodbye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'll be doing a review as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that as well. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.